Ready?
Ready? When I think of the agonizing trials of this world, I go into the storehouse of my mind in which I keep the experiences of my life. And that storehouse is the room. In the room I have my strongest faith. In the room I am safe from the thumping and the bumping of the storms outside. I'm free to sit and have a cup of tea and weave stories like these. Once there was a child born in captivity. He was an elephant's child. He was new and soft, and his little eyes shined with life. Then there was the trainer. The trainer knows that sometimes elephants can kill their trainers, and he was not about to let this little elephant kill him. The day of confrontation came between them. The little elephant greeted the trainer with a lifted trunk and a shrill hum. He was such an innocent little elephant. This did not make the trainer's job any easier. But he knew, if you're going to train elephants, you need to be smarter than elephants. With this, he drove a large stake into the ground, and he chained the little elephant to it. Immediately, the elephant began to struggle against the restraint. Without warning, the trainer began to beat the young elephant violently. The smart little elephant quickly learned, in order to avoid the abuse, do not resist the stakes. And so he grew up, always staked to the ground. One day, a compassionate man walked past the now old, hardened elephant, who stood statue-like, staring out of lifeless eyes. Compelled, he approached the magnificent animal to set him free. Without warning, the elephant picked up the man and crushed him to death. Now, here's an elephant with more than enough strength to crush a grown man, but he cannot pull up the stakes. Stakes are unavoidable for animals born in captivity. They are also unavoidable for us.